Okay, so this is to replace the piece that connects to the board. So make sure the display is face down on a soft surface like a foam. This is a two-person job, and so put it face down together. Make sure the corners don't go independently. All four corners go down together. Make sure the surface doesn't have any bolts or anything like that. And then so this little part right here, there'll be four bolts on the corners. Once you unbolt them, make sure to carefully and slowly take off this, raise it a little bit like a hinge. The FCC cable, the ribbon cable, is very fragile, so make sure you don't lift it up all the way. If you pull it, it'll be damaged, so be careful. On either corner, you can grab it by those corners, and then pull it out. Just be very careful of it. And then once you take out the FCC ribbon cable, you can take out the other three pieces as well. The IR cable and then the two power cables. On the IR cable at the back, there's a clip, and then for the power cables, you just pull them and make sure don't just grab one of the cables, grab like all of the cables, and pull them out at the same time. So this like so you pull out this piece from your old damage display, and then we're going to use that piece on your replacement display. Okay, all the connections will be the same, only the male and the female pins will be different. So let's say that this is the new display now, and so you'll take it out in the same exact way, and then replace it with the old piece. Make sure that I'm not sure if it's going to be male or female on the other part. Make sure that it fits the connector fits on your AV board. Make sure that the connecting board and this piece fits together and that they match. And then you'll put these cables back together. So the power cables, the power connectors. The next one. And then the IR cable, the clip in the back. And then for the FCC ribbon cable, make sure that they align properly, left and right. And then if you put it in correctly, you'll hear the clips, clicking noises. Click, click. Okay. Then make sure that the cables go inside and not over the metal part. So push it down a little bit underneath part, and then close it, and then bolt it back together.